Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the extended attributes are inconsistent error that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC, followed by a space /scannow. Scannow should all be one word attached to that / out front. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to run this command. It will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that is done here, we're going to go ahead and paste in another command I'm going to have in the description of the video, guys. So just go ahead and copy that, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Go ahead and enter on the keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your device. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to resolve your problem, and you should hopefully have resolved the extended attributes or inconsistent error on your Windows computer. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.